How to prevent stairway accidents. Preventing accidents on stairways is a necessary undertaking, especially in the workplace. Preventing stairway accidents takes effort and time, but it's necessary if you want to avoid someone getting hurt and you getting sued. If you're looking for ways to prevent stairway accidents, consider the following list of suggestions. 1. Ensure that all stairwells conform to safety standards. Research building code standards and any other legal requirements for stairwell designs. By following certain codes, you can avoid being responsible in the event that someone is injured falling down the stairs. Number 2. Keep stairways clear to prevent accidents. Don't pile items anywhere near a stairway. Number 3. Mark the edge of the steps a different color so to avoid stairway accidents. Make sure that the paint does not wear out. Number 4. Attach treads to the edges of your steps. This will add a grip to them and help prevent accidents. Again, ensure that the treads are secure and not loose. Number 5. Install handrails on both sides of the stairway. Select rails that are curved and smooth so that clothing and bag straps don't get caught on them, causing stairwell injuries. Check that the handrails are not unsteady or detached from the wall. Number 6. Make sure that the stairway is well lit during the day and night. Install light switches at the top and bottom of the stairway for both safety and convenience. Check periodically that the bulbs are all working. Number 7. Inspect the stairway regularly and make sure that it's maintained. Make sure that none of the steps are loose or rotting. If you have carpeting on the stairway, ensure that there are no pulls or openings that would cause someone to trip. Be proactive about correcting accident-causing issues. Number 8. Make it a house rule to hold the handrail when using the stairs, and make it natural to remind those who do forget.